If you use a Samsung phone and you feel like you're not getting the best out of your camera, here's 3 things you need to do to get better camera quality on your Samsung phone or any Android phone, even your iPhone. I know we don't like Apple that much, but yeah, we just have to put them in there. But anyways, let's get straight into this video, guys, and stop wasting your time. Other than that, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's go. Okay, so before we get started with the camera settings and whatever, we need to first make sure that we do this. And we're gonna need 2 things to do whatever I'm about to do now, which is cleaning the lenses, because you touch the lenses so many times, not on purpose, obviously. It's a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. But yeah, you're gonna need a microfiber cloth, and you can use one of these products. This is no promo, guys. I use a screen cleaning liquid from Lucan, and these go for around 200 Rand if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, you just spray on the back of the phone like that, and take your microfiber cloth, and then you're just gonna wipe off the lens. Make sure it's clean, because if your lens are dirty, you will not get clear photos or video, and you have to make sure that that is sorted out first before you start doing any recording. For the pros, I understand you guys already know this, but for beginners, basically you need to make sure of this. Now that our cameras are clean, we can now move over to camera settings. Okay, so on your Samsung device, go to your camera, and here you'll be in photo mode by default. You'll see that the ratio is 9:16. Tap on that and change it to 3:4. This will get you the most megapixels, meaning you'll get more details in your photos. And what you're gonna do now is go to video and make sure you change this to UHD 30 FPS. This is the ultra high resolution of your videos. And you can also go to Pro, and here you'll be able to adjust manual features of your camera. You need to do a bit more research on this, or I can make a video for you guys to understand this. You can adjust things like your ISO, you can adjust things like your shutter speed and Kelvins, which is amazing. Now that we've got the main in-camera features, we can now move over to our camera settings, and here you're gonna want to turn on auto HDR. Make sure that's turned on. That helps you capture more details in bright and dark areas of your shots. And turn on tracking autofocus. This will help you keep the rear camera focus on a selected subject even if they move. And you're gonna also want to turn on grid lines to help you with the rule of thirds. If you don't know what the rule of thirds is, I'm just gonna explain it to you guys now. So the grid line is basically 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. And here we've got this iPhone at the back, and if you want to take a shot of this, you have to make sure that the subject, which is the iPhone, is placed on one of these intersecting lines. So there's 4 dots right there. Just imagine 4 dots on each intersecting line right there. Just imagine 4 dots, and yeah, take a shot in one of these 4 dots. That's where your subject is supposed to be. That is the rule of thirds. I don't know if I explained it properly, but I can put some text on the side to just show you. That's it for today, guys. Those are 3 ways that will definitely enhance your camera quality on your Samsung phone, your iPhone, or whatever phone you use, guys. If you learned anything in this video, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button as well. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and your support has been amazing. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.